Well, hello traders. This is Art Dill for FuturesTradingCompany.net and a recap of our trading for June 25th, 2012. And I'll go ahead and put my trade sheet in there right now so you can take a look at it. The first trade we took was pre-market 533. We got short at 12,477. Took one off at 470, and then 467 was my target. It was 10 points on the second contract because we were right near, this was very near the Globex overnight low, and so I wanted to have a target without having to break that low, and so that was our first trade. As you can see, we went 5-3-0, net plus 39 points, and I'm going to point something out to you here when we get back to the chart to show you something very interesting about my trading. And I think that should be sufficient time for everyone to be able to get the trades I took. All the trades we took today were trigger entry trades. That is the proprietary entry trigger that I developed and I've been using now for over a year, and very happy with it. Okay, we'll get this out of the way, and let me move that back where it belongs. I want to show you something. We are, since I opened the room, we're running at just about 69% winning percentage on our trades. Today, 5 and 3, 8 trades, 5 winning trades. That's 62.5% winning percentage. But one of the things that makes my system so profitable is how I manage trades and manage losing trades. And here's a good example of that. Today, my average winning trade was plus 12.8 points. My average losing trade was minus 8.33 points. So even if I were 50-50, even if my win and loss percentage was 50%, 50% winning trades, 50% losing trades, by how I am managing the trades, I would still be profitable. So that is a key, how you manage the trades once you get in them, and making sure that you limit your losses, and that's exactly what you're seeing here with these results. So you had the trade sheet. I'll just scroll over here, show you the rest of the trades. That one was pre-market. And I am starting to have my orders show up here on the chart themselves. This was the first trade we took after the cash market opened. It was at 709 and got kind of unlucky. We got our first target here, and then just to the very tick got stopped out at 12,436, which was our entry on the second contract, and then the market rolled over and we would have hit our second target of 15 points. So a little unlucky there. This next one at 716, we got short at 12,420, and these are all trigger shorts. Got one target at 12,413, and then back out at 420. Break even on the next one. Then at 740 we had a loss, and I wanted to go over this with you too. This was the low of the day prior to this trade, which was 12,399. So, as you can see here, I only took this with one contract. And I did that on purpose because we're so close to the low. I didn't have enough room for a lot of targets, so I only took it with one contract. And I was using, for those of you who have been in the room and seen me trade before, I was using my 4-bar stop, and the 4-bar stop is simply this. Your entry bar and the next 3 bars. On a short, you put your stop above the high of the highest bar in that 4-bar scenario. And in this case, I ended up stopping out at 12,408. Actually, that was a couple of points above that bar. For minus 4 points on that trade. And then at 8:06, I took my next trade, and it was actually the largest loss I had today. And again, it was a trigger short, 12,408. And we got stopped out at 12,416. Again, that was a 4-bar stop. And as you can see, had I not used that kind of a stop, could have had a much larger loss. And then had 8:30 was our next winning trade. Worked very, very well. This was a trigger short. Shorted 2 at 417.